So now let's see how we can work around with the connected apps option inside of ChatGPT. So to access the connected apps option, I need to go around under my profile right here and then go to settings right here. So once I go around over here on the left hand side, you can see that connected apps is an option. And here in connected apps, you can see that you can connect your Google Drive account right here. You can connect your OneDrive personal account and even your OneDrive school and work account right here separately, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here and click on connect for Google Drive right here, then I can simply go around and then click on continue right here, just like this. And what happens is that now my Google Drive is connected onto my ChatGPT right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and connect out your OneDrive account right here as well and disconnect out the OneDrive account or Google Drive account according to how you want from the connected drive section. So this is helpful when you're actually trying to upload files directly from Google Drive into ChatGPT. So that is how you can work around with connected apps inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.